If you need to recover your Rockstar Games account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the account recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Rockstar Games website. Go to the official Rockstar Games website and navigate to the login page. Click on the Forgot Your Password link to start the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Rockstar Games in your inbox. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Step 4. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer any security questions you set up when creating your account. This step helps verify your identity and allows you to proceed with the recovery. Step 5. Contact Rockstar support. If you are unable to recover your account using the previous steps, contact Rockstar support directly. Provide them with as much information as possible about your account to assist in the recovery process. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Rockstar Games account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to support for further assistance.